Well guys, here it is. A lot of you told me to have my ECU for my 2019 Zx6r Reflashed. Sent it out to the Sicshop. It just returned. And now we're gonna go install it in the bike. All right guys, so here we are in the garage. We get the bike all torn apart. We left it torn apart. As you can see, the ECU has been flashed by the Sicshop. They even put their stickers on it, kick ass. And I'm gonna show you how to reinstall it. It's super easy to do. And let's get into this without further ado. So guys, we have this carrier right here, which actually goes into the bike. The ECU goes into the bottom part. The other part goes into the top. It's super easy to do. You guys just want to make sure you put it in all the way. I want to get all this stuff out of the way. There's two little slots that these slide into inside here. Make sure you put those in. The ECU is now mounted in there. And what we do now is we install the other piece. This just goes in just like this, right here. Okay, now that piece is all installed. Everything's good. Everything's where it should be. And now all we need to do is hook up our connections, which is super simple to do. So I'm gonna get to that, guys, and then I'll show you after. All right, guys, you can see our little servo buddy. That actually isn't even needed anymore. We can just disconnect that, but we're gonna leave it in anyway. ECU is all connected. We're gonna turn the key, make sure everything comes on properly. So there we have it, guys. All the plastics are reinstalled. They're super easy to take off. Now all I need to do is put the seats on and start her up. Man, she's super dirty, but she's been sitting a while. All winter, god dang it. I hate winter. Let's fire this baby up, see how the Sicshop did with their reflash.
Definitely sounds like it has better throttle response, that's for sure. So with the Reflashed, the fan should come on at 180. We only got a couple more degrees to go. Let's see if it turns on. There we go. Fan turned on at 180. Awesome. Want to give a big shout out to Sicshop, hooking it up with the Reflash on the ECU. You guys got the 2019 Plus Zx6r, you got to do this to your bike, and also you got to bypass your clutch safety. If you don't know how to do that, he can tell you how to do that, but you definitely need to do that, otherwise the bike's going to throw a fit. So yeah, like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.